Reflection upon a day, a month, a year. One face in the mirror, yet another sees with these eyes, hovering right here. I am the observer, fully present, while also revisiting the past. I am still, yet relinquishing time on its wheel, where no moment will continue to last. This annually recurring week of darkness is a symbol. These few days like floating between death and new life. I am a soul pulled through a white tunnel of light, and then, with but a turn, the new year arrives. Can I stop this ever-pressing forward motion? Standing, breathing, expanding in this peaceful, glorious now. I feel detachment from nostalgically drowning emotion, from all that has passed and gone. Yet all of this memory is alive in me somehow. The earth in her perfect precision has swung again round the ever-burning sun. But my little life seems balanced on a scale measured differently. Scenes spliced together are its collective sum. Just another tiny human existence. Just one small heart beating quietly, hoping, growing, evolving, almost silently. What is breath? What is life? What is my play on this stage, so frequently wrought with beauty and yet also strife? Is it love? To have, to hold, to twirl as a whirling dervish, elevated by desire, intoxicated by ecstatic joy? Or just the mere opportunity to inhale the evening fragrance of sweet citrus blossoms and marvel at the rich red, orange, and purples of the painted sky ceiling at sunset? To relish in the returning dawn chorus resounding from the canyon's trees, or to rest peacefully on a warm afternoon while the fountain sings and golden fish dance beneath the pink lotus, her petals blooming once more, as persistent as each moon phase, and reliable as is my lover's deep affection. My soul feeds upon this beauty. It wells within me like a cup of wine overpoured. There need be no answer, only this tender moment, where awe and gratitude reside, where ethereal warmth renews cells, heart, spirit, where love is all there is. And so, dear reflection, another new year commences. Let us celebrate with all life, our kin. For we, my beloved, are yet again here again to begin.